Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can add your GitHub link onto your LinkedIn. Now it's a pretty simple thing. All you need to do is of course to have your GitHub account, and you have your LinkedIn account as well. So basically all you just need to do is to copy the link over here, the URL, copy it like that, and then what you need to do is to go to your LinkedIn page now. And now you just basically have to go here, edit, your settings, your intro, then you go to edit contact info, and then you scroll down until you find add website, and then down here on the website URL you have to paste that link, and you choose whatever type of website it is. So I'm just gonna put personal, and then click on save, and that should attach the GitHub page or my GitHub profile to my LinkedIn account. So basically, if I go over here to contact info, then they should see that there. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.